Chapter 11: The Making of the National Movement, 1870s to 1947. When provinces in India increasingly came under British rule, Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa in 1915 and suggested a new mode of struggle called Satyagraha based on the principles of truth and non-violence. He organized uniform peasant movements in Champaran and Ahmedabad. Encouraged by the success of these movements, Gandhi called for a nationwide satyagraha against Rowlatt Act in 1919. In order to curb revolutionary activity, the British government passed the Rowlatt Act. The act empowered the British government to detain Indian people without any trial. Gandhi asked the Indian people to observe 6th April 1919 as a day of humiliation and prayer. The movement ended in Jallianwala Bagh massacre, in which thousands of people were killed by British policemen under the leadership of General Dyer. People all over India became furious about Jallianwala Bagh massacre, and as a part of this atrocity, Tagore renounced his knighthood. Knighthood is an honor granted by Britisher for personal achievement or public service. Because of this, Gandhi called off Rowlatt Satyagraha. Around the same time, Britishers imposed a harsh treaty on Khalifa in the Ottoman Empire. Khalifa is the religious head or leader of the Islamic population. And to protect this Khalifa, Indian Muslims stood against the British. In response to this, Indian Muslim leaders Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali proposed to launch Khilafat movement. Gandhi saw this as an opportunity to unite Hindus and Muslims, since he always saw India as the land of all people. As the year 1919 was full of problems for Indians like Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Khilafat agitation, economic problems post-World War I, etc., Gandhiji felt a mass movement could be organized against all these issues and made it the main objective of non-cooperation movement. Non-cooperation became a movement by boycotting all British products and also the government schools and offices run by the Britishers. Many lawyers such as Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das, C. Rajagopalachari and Asif Ali even gave up their practices.